Democratic Change emyezi ehwire batwire bari mu butikirizingana bari kwegamba ebigambo bitari birungi abo kugira ngo hine sente ezi bari kugira ngo ne sente zo burufa ezatahira mu kibiina bari kugira ngo hine aho zarugire aho batakwenda kushobora obwahati bamwe omuri bamemba b'ekibiina kya FDC omuri Kasese bino kwerarikirira ngo butikirizingana obu basa kuja kubaretera abafere ntebenyinjo mu ishenjero omukaruru akenkumi 2026.
If to remain in the party for the next 6 months, 1 year, and now that we are nearing to the political season, the real political season, where almost every political party would want to take a share, it would affect FDC.
Yo confusion abadali mu kiri ntino kubadde kusikamugwa wakati waba bagamba nti FDC tugitwale mu yellow market nabo abagana kuluno balabadde bagala gisubula tubagobye kati kintu ze mu kikwata ni nesubi dingi nnyo ntino 2026 ngeje tumaliza kine kizibu mangu tugenda concentratinga mu kugizimba na kutraininga bakadaza abapya
Jirangu okwenda gumana n'obushagiki omu district bamwe bagirangu FDC eshemerire kuza omukoti ekabasa kumaraho butikirizingana oburiyo mu kibiina abantu bagirangu tubarije kwikirize bine bindi okubasinga omukarureke 2026 ngo abo kugirangu binemu obutikirizingana buke obu bari kubasa kwemariraho nkoku owabira chairman w'ekibiina ekya FDC omuri Kasese ari kushoborora.
Because of FDC, I can assure you, we are not going to allow a situation where these squabbles take us up to 2026. Personally, I am a lawyer. I have handled cases for other people. I have seen Mabirizi Male file his own cases. At a particular time when we will realize that these squabbles cannot end, we will take them to court.
Sibidere nagirangu obwahati amani agukano kiza besije aine omukibiina ngunabasa kushitamana n'abantu abakuru mu kibiina babasi kuronde miringo eyiba kumaraho obutikirizingana bahurikizingana.
Really an appeal to Kano Dr. Kiza Besije. Don't run with the people you have mentored. Retract, and call the clan. Call these people before the clan. Call these people before the clan. Let us get out of this. Please.
Ohireho okwebaganisa omukibiina Ronald Kabuku nagirangu obwahati betebekanise okuleba Kasese yagaruka yasinga naba FDC omu 2026.
Certainly that if we can conduct the next general elections in a free environment like we are today, this time NRM will move nowhere. And we are not pledging this out of excitement. We are pledging this because we believe and appreciate that we have masses on ground.
Kurujirira ahari chairperson wa FDC omu district ya Kasese Saul Mate nagirangu abantu bona abarije kuza enyuma ya nandara mafabi hamwe na Amuriat bija kuzibirwa okubasa kwesimba omukaruru akokwata ebendera y'ekibiina kya FDC.
Before Centenary came, there were FDC members who were already on the ground contesting for the same. It's just like that this office, 2016, gave him a flag of freedom without subjecting him to the primaries. So that issue of I don't want you to divert the minds of the people of Kasese and the Kasese municipality. We have several contestants who are eyeing for the post of Kasese municipality. Centenary is not around. I'm just new. What are you telling me? That's nonsense, total nonsense.
Saul Mate nagirangu obwahati aba FDC tubari kubasa kwikiriza emico mbi emwe eri omuri bamwe ombe kibiina nka Honorable Robert Centenary owashazire mukuza enyuma ya nandara mafabi.
About this, people are so annoyed that Centenary is a person who cannot listen, who cannot respect people, who is not willing to take the advice of the people. As if when even he went to parliament, he voted for himself. So there's no worry about that one. It is the obvious. And we are going to do all we can to block him.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Gerard Muhindo ahawa Sky TV omuri Kasese.
Tiri